At Staco, we invest in cutting-edge technology to improve our processes and deliver even better results for our customers. Our latest addition to the facility enhances our ability to meet your needs with greater speed and precision. This core winding machine allows us to streamline production and ensure consistent, high-quality results every time. By optimizing efficiency, we can pass the benefits directly to our customers through faster delivery times and reliable products. Our investment means more consistency and dependability in the products we deliver to you, ensuring they meet our exact specifications every time. With this machine, we can handle larger orders more quickly, helping us respond to your demands and reducing lead time. At Staco, we're focused on continuous improvement to better serve our customers. Our new equipment is just one way we deliver on that